So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 17th of August. Now let's just have a look on prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've seen prices reject higher prices in around this 1140. Short this pretty sharp sell-off, take it beyond 1073. Came pretty close towards that 1040, went into this consolidation here, tested at 1073 on a few occasions, had a brief consolidation above, broke down, broke back above. We've gone to this further consolidation here. So the market does seem to be struggling for direction at present here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So if we do see a pullback, we're looking to see whether 1073 does hold for support. If that happens to be the case, we're looking for a move towards that 111. And more recently, we have seen that we rejected pricing around this 111, as you can see, indicated by this rather large wick here. Also, we've tested 111 more recently, and we've had another pullback. So if we do see a breakdown, we'll look to see whether 1073 does hold. If we can hold 1073, we'll look to see our price react around this 111, where we do have the 200 period close by and a 400 period moving average. But if we can break and hold and have a strong reaction beyond that 111, we are looking for a move towards that 1160 successful break, from which we'll be then looking for price head up towards that 1215 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. But if we do not see a pretty strong reaction towards that 111, if instead we do see a breakdown in prices, and probably where we are at present or after a rejection of that 111, we're looking to see whether 1073 does hold for support, successful break from which we'll then for a move down towards this 1020. Previously an area found support here on the US dollar Japanese yen, and failure to hold the 1020, we were then looking for prices head down towards that 109.50 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We get scaling here correct. As we can see, previously we were in a bit of an uptrend. We've broken the trend somewhat, posted a lower high. We do have a highs, lower highs. We've had this consolidative move to the downside. We've come down towards this 1020. Previous area that we identified that we could see a bullish reaction. We have seen a bullish reaction around 1020, taking us briefly beyond the 111, and we've gone into a further consolidation here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So from this consolidation, if we can continue to hold this 1073, we may just see a recovery to the upside and a realignment with the most recent trend to the upside here on the US dollar Japanese yen. But if we do fail to break and hold above that 111 or hold above the 1073, we do see that breakdown, and we're looking for a move down towards that 1020, successful break from which that 109.50, we could see prices start to trend downwards here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.